girl, this is gonna be a fun video. First off, hey girl, hey, let me start off by slowing down this clip so you girls can really get into the hairline and the lace on this wig. RpgHair is not playing with the girls. Trust and believe, they are not one of them. Girl, I just know from the hairline alone, this is gonna be a nice ass install regardless. So I am loving also that the parting space on this wig is super clean and it's not like a whole lot of density at the parting of the wig. So let me just zoom in a little bit real quick and just get real close and personal for you girls to really check out the hairline on this wig, because I am just shocked at how RpgHair has been just giving it to me lately with their wigs. Okay, so I'm going to put the details on this lace and this wig below in the description bar, but baby, let's just talk about it. First of all, this side part is giving me everything that I needed to give for today's install. So I'm not going to do any baby hairs. I'm just going to really do a clean look, especially because the hairline has been plucked to perfection. And I really need y'all to get into it, and I really need y'all to see that. So I didn't want any baby hairs to take away from just how beautiful this wig, this hairline, this texture, just everything about this wig is so beautiful. So I'm going to continue on with the styling and just let the video do the talking pretty much. Okay, so I just had to come back and just say this. You see how this wig is doing? You see how the hairline, the lace is perfect, and the texture is even perfect? Like, everything flows. Everything is just perfect about this wig. Even the length of it being a 8-inch. Girl, I was super nervous about putting an 8-inch wig in my head. But honey, this is honestly a super cute length on me. Yes, girl. I don't think it would have been as cute if the hairline didn't look like this though. I'm not even gonna lie. This is such a beautiful wig. Look at how much shine and body. This wig is giving, y'all. I just cannot believe this wig turned out this damn cute. Again, for a 8-inch bob. Girl, definitely. This is a wig that you need in your collection. I hope it comes in different lengths because I did ask for a different length and they was unable to provide that. But this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Check out the description bar. Thanks for watching.